Myself, Koteswararao Madduru. I completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2021. After completing my graduation, I joined 10x Academy to learn new skills in full stack development. So I joined there in July. After joining there, I have learned my skills and learn what are the required skills to be a full stack engineer. So previously, it was my engineering was different field. So anybody who want to pursue in other field requires constant efforts, and what direction we are going is very important thing. In that way, I seen 10x Academy where I thought like one-on-one sessions. I got impressed by the teaching and whatever the things that are available in 10x Academy. So the problem solving skills, the full stack development, whether front and back, and the clear way I can see in the 10x Academy. So that I joined here. I joined 10x Academy. Before joining there, one of the person I met who is alumni in 10x Academy. So I got some guidance from him also. So he explained everything about what is it available and how can you come across and what time it takes to you to complete the bootcamp. One-on-one mentor sessions. While we are solving problems, we are doing in online thing. We don't know whether we are solving on its own or not. Whether if we are approaching any corrections we require, right, while solving the problems. Like you said, right, you have to see the camera during our interviews. Like that, necessary skills are guided in one-on-one sessions. We can solve the problems on our own. It takes certain amount of time. But if you want to crack any interviews, we have to solve in the prescribed time. In that way of building the skills, while we are conducting while we joining attending any interviews, we can able to solve on our own because of the practice that I got from the 10x Academy. So the practice sessions makes very keen part in here. Whenever we attended any interview, the first thing we can observe is anybody who is fresher, who are right now attending to the interviews, the first thing that they stop them is fear of something that we can't able to solve the problems. By attending mock interviews, we can get by that. Overall experience was it's good for anybody who is fresher, who is not able to move any direction, any proper idea on how to go to the whatever the path they want. If they want any dedicated team to support them through the process of getting a job, 10x Academy helps them very much.